triumphantly home to help to sing these songs of free man. 'Cause all I ever have is redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves shall be our minds. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. They've got to fulfill their book. Won't you help to sing another song of free man? 'Cause all I ever have, well, redemption song, redemption song. Liberate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, for none of them can stop the time. How long can they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Oh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill their book. Won't you help to sing another songs of free man? 'Cause all I ever have is redemption song. All I ever have, boy, redemption song, redemption song. There is a land far, far away, where there's no night, there's only day. Look into that book of life and you will see that there's a land far, far away. Yes, there's a land far, far away now. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords sit upon his throne when he rules us all. Look into that book of life and you will see that he rules us all. Yes, he peace and love to each and every one. Yes, I'm on Elder Ras Jabulani.